Hi, Nat here at Shoes of Hollywood with another pair of shoes. This is another from the Eclipse collection. This is the Eclipse 601 Diamante Chrome. These ones have a 6.5-inch heel. Yeah. So the Eclipse are meant to cause the eclipse on the ground. Oops. And the light will come through. They're really funky. They're a real showpiece shoe. A lot of people have been asking us to do the slip-on shoes, so without any of the straps. So that's what these ones are. So they're a clear plastic without straps, and your foot just slips right in. To help your foot slip in, they've got this beautiful like suede material on the sole, and it's going to be really nice. So you can see the Diamantes here, down there, and oh, they're gorgeous. They're going to shimmer everywhere you step. There's also a mirror underneath the shoe, which will reflect the Diamantes as well, and that'll put them onto the ground with the lights in the right angle. It's pretty cool. But they're just on the outside of the shoe, not on the inside bit, which is completely fine because that's the part that matters. They're really, really funky. And that's the other pair as well. So these ones are a size 7. Alright. Try these on, hey? Take them for a walk, see if we can catch the eclipse. So this plastic, it is tight on your foot when you first put it on, and it's meant to be that way, so don't freak out thinking it's the wrong size. It's not, it's completely fine. It does that so that it will mold onto your foot, so the heat from your foot after about 10 minutes will help the shoe mold around you, keep them really secure, really comfortable, which is what you're wanting. They're really easy to put on because they are slip-ons. It takes a whole of 2 seconds to put your feet in. Diamantes are really gorgeous. You can see them from up here even. Can you imagine wearing these to a club? Your feet would just be glowing the whole time. It's gorgeous. We'll go and have a look, see if we can catch them in the light, see if we can find you the eclipse. There we go, that's better. You see it around the heel, the half moon as you take a step. And then when the light's just right, it'll also hit the Diamantes, which will reflect off that little mirror I showed you. And that would just completely enhance the shoe again. And you're just going to be shimmering all over the floor. Feels like I have a halo, to be honest. A halo at my feet. and the plastic's feeling really comfortable now. It's already started to mold down. It's feeling really, really good. So these ones are the Eclipse 601 Diamantide Chrome, and they're the strapless ones with the clear plastic. And they're very, very gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video and the shoes. I enjoyed these shoes. The Eclipse are one of my favourites. And yeah, hit the notification bell so you can see every time we upload a new unboxing and review, and leave a message and hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time as well. See ya!